Guys, we have a animations frame here, Batman, really cool. This one, let me flip it over here. This one had several of the gears gone bad. Swapped out the gears, still didn't work. We had to actually reset this all the way back into the default position, and yeah, now it works. I'll just preview it here. But yeah, now it actually snaps back into default. And of course, everything works.
Time to eject! Mr. J, over here! Call him, dog thief! It's over. Is that so? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Not so fast. Hey! Honestly, must I do everything myself? Give it up, Joker. No! I found explain.
Everything snaps back into. Check this out. We got it all back put back together, and yeah, enjoy it.
I can't believe it.
Think Bat saw you, buddy, Dad?
Oh, he did. He'd never let a show about me. It's over. Au contraire, bird boy. I'm just getting fired up.
Sweet dreams, sucker.
Hope I haven't missed all the fun.
You gotta save me, son.
Whoops, time to fly.
Sorry to put you out. Put.
No! I smell it. Explain.
Well, there you have it, guys. It's all fixed. If you got a repair, go ahead and ship it out to us. You can check us out at our website, TampaElectronicFix.com. Thank you. Bye.